Okay, go.
We're ready to put Alexander down on his caterpillar. Okay, ready? This is from Uncle Dave and Aunt Eugenie. Yeah? What do you think of it?
Hi.
What do you think of it?
Hi. Do you like your caterpillar? He's
What
looking
is
for
it?
you.
What is that?
Hi. Do you like the caterpillar?
Hi, sweetheart.
I should have moved that because when he falls over it, he's going to fall. Good afternoon, Alex. This is Anna Marie. Hi, Mary. How are you? Good. I'm good, thank you.
What is that? Yeah, that's for you.
Do you like him?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Angie, did you send Mary Bessie something in Fox Point?
Read the notes. He wants to be seen in Menominee
Yeah.
Falls. That's why
Okay.
it says Menominee Falls.
Okay. All right, no problem. Okay. Yes, Mike?
Huh? Do you like him? Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. All right.
It's the perfect toy with somebody who's getting a tooth.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Thanks, Mary. Bye-bye. Do you like that? It's soft, isn't it?
Yeah, really cool.
Jeannie said he was like a little kid. He had to have it.
Look at him going for the antenna. Yeah. Do you like the antenna?
Sue Cassini calls is here, the comb over. Isn't it cute?
Hi.
Hi, honey.
Hi, sweetheart. I love you. I miss you.
Are you having fun? What
And
is
here's
that?
the whole length of the giant
What
caterpillar.
is that? Yeah.
Alexander.
Hi.
Alexander, you can dance on that.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, that's for you.
It looks like fun, doesn't it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That was a weird noise. Why'd you make that noise, Papa?
Hi. Sorry. I'm just trying to help. Uh-huh.
That's Alexander's caterpillar. It's for him. It's for him to play with.
Uh-huh.
Can you play with it?
Hi. Are you going to go and look at the other end?
Yeah.
Huh, the cuckoo? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I thought he was a centipede at first.
No, it's a caterpillar.
To me, it kind of looks like a centipede.
If it looks comfy, like you could just curl up.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, a big burp. Yeah.
You're not going to explore much right now, are you?
Yeah? Can you say antenna? You can take the rattle with.
Why are you laughing at me?
Why are you laughing? Hey, quit laughing at me.
Really? Yeah.
Uh-huh. Maybe if he had music.
Would you expect him to dance on it?
Yes.
Alexander, can you dance? Alexander.
Alexander makes me feel like dancing.
Little Alexander.
Yeah.
Alexander, you're Nana's baby boy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, hi. We're exploiting your child, you know that.
Alexander makes me feel like dancing. We're gonna tell Sydney that he's a dog.
looked at you like you're really a freak.
I'm glad I'm normal. Yeah.
Hi, honey.
You don't believe that, do you?
Are you the
No.
baby?
Yeah. Hi.
Yes.
Oh, no, he just discovered that there's more.
That's pretty long,
he knows
isn't he?
He's having his picture taken.
He's
So
posing.
he's just laying there and looking at the camera. Oops. Oops, gotta get that rattle. That's his favorite. There we go.
Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yes.
Okay, I've done 6 minutes. Is that enough?
Alexander.
You don't want to get the picture of him flying over it and hitting the floor.
What's that?
He likes that antennae.
If you take these off, then he'll be able to really climb.
Suck it to me.
Suck it to me.
Well, do you want to ride the caterpillar?
Here we go. Can you get over that now that he has his socks on? Alexander, do you want to come to Nana? Hi. Do you want to come over here to Nana? Oh, look at you. Are you a big boy? Do you know that caterpillar has feeders and it's hard to climb over those? Careful. There goes your there goes your tooth.
Hi.
There we go.
Hi, sweetie.
What happens when you fall on the floor face first?
Should I put, what, Tula pillow down? Or no?
No.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording.